I have had days where I literally cried because I felt so freaking grateful. And y'all are like, gratitude is so freaking boring and it's so basic. Girl, that's literally a hot girl habit. Hi guys, I'm Varsha and welcome back to my channel. This is a hot girl video and thank you for clicking on the video. I appreciate you a lot. Alright, let's get right into this video. It is not happiness that brings us gratitude. It is gratitude that brings us happiness. Yeah, I know it's shocking, but that's the truth. And this is coming from a girl who always used to complain, who was always anxious, who was always sad over the little things and minor inconveniences, and who complained 24/7. So let's start this video with a story, which is mine. And this story is about something that genuinely changed my life over time, and I did not see it coming. I did not know it was going to happen. I did not even start this gratitude journaling habit because I wanted to be happy. I just started this out of boredom. I just started this because I didn't know what to do. Like I was literally just bored, and I was also kind of like aimless. Like I legit did not know what to do in life. So all of this started with me wanting to use my time effectively because I did not have my own phone. I did not have my own tablet. I did not have a laptop that was functioning well all the time. So I was literally just like, I couldn't stare at the wall all day. So I was like, okay, fine, let me get out a book. And I was the kind of girl who would like writing all the time in her journal. So that is why I started it. After watching a lot of YouTube videos, which explained journaling in so many fancy ways and which also talked about how to journal in the most fanciest ways possible, I was just so overwhelmed. I ditched everything and I was like, okay, let me just write three things I'm grateful for every night. And yes, it's cliche, it's boring, it's basic, blah, blah, blah. But you see this hot bitch here? This is all because of gratitude, honey. Literally. Of course, I did not know what to write in the beginning. So I wrote the most random shit like, I'm grateful to have my own bed. I'm grateful for my comfy blanket. And then it went to, I'm grateful for having my friends who literally made my day because they did so and so for me. And when I wrote things that I was grateful for, I did not really feel it much. Like it was just so random. It was just me trying to feel things, but no matter how much I forced it, it just didn't happen. So I just stuck to it because I just wanted to have a notebook to open to feel nostalgia after a few years. That was the literal reason why I was staying consistent with this habit. Very, very, very slowly, I started seeing a shift in my perspective, and I was like, wait, no matter how worse things got in my life on a day-to-day basis or on a weekly basis or anything, I still had the strength in me to sit and open my journal and write three things I was grateful for and actually feel them. And at this point I was shocked. I was like, oh my god, I did not see that coming. I genuinely did not see that coming. And yes, there have been days where I just look at things. I'm just having a random auto ride somewhere and I'm just like, wow, I'm so grateful for this because I don't know, it's an opportunity. And I just feel so grateful. Like I don't know how to explain that feeling. It's the top tier feeling. And the girl that you're seeing and listening to now, it's all because of gratitude. And I'm a lot less anxious. I do not overthink much. And I just find the ability in me to trust the process, which literally felt impossible before I started doing this. And let me tell you one thing, the magic of gratitude is that it will slowly change you into a different person and you will almost not notice it. It will feel so natural to you, it will feel so permanent to you, and when you realize it, you'll actually be blown away. And if you don't believe me, not a problem, because I came prepared for this video. I have some scientific research that I have noted down and I'm going to tell you all about those. First study that I went through says gratitude was significant in ancient philosophies and cultures. For example, in the Roman culture, when where Cicero, okay, I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong, where Cicero mentioned gratitude as the mother of all human feelings. Next one. Emily Fletcher, the founder of Ziva, a well known meditation training site, mentioned in one of her publications that gratitude as a natural antidepressant. The effects of gratitude, when practiced daily, can be almost the same as medications. It produces a feeling of long lasting happiness and contentment, the physiological basis of which lies at the neurotransmitter level. Guys, I don't understand the words, but you get what I mean, right? When we express gratitude and receive the same, our brain releases dopamine and serotonin, the two crucial neurotransmitters responsible for our emotions, and they make us feel good. They enhance our mood immediately, making us feel happy from the inside. The next study. Gratitude is scientifically proven to release toxic emotions, to reduce pain, improve sleep quality, aids in stress regulation, reduces anxiety and depression. The reason why I'm stressing so much on this whole gratitude thing is because I literally saw myself change into a whole different person that I never thought was possible for me within just 2 years. I'm a lot more at peace no matter the circumstances around me because I know things are just going to work out. I'm also a person who knows how to keep her emotions in check. I also know how to do my emotional regulation because I'm a person who feels everything so freaking deeply and it kind of affects me negatively at times. It used to affect me negatively at times, but now it's not like that anymore. And that's because I know how to keep them in check. I know how to take the bad ones out and deal with them in a different way and feel grateful for the good things happening at the same time. I hope you're convinced that gratitude actually will permanently change your life if you stick with it and believe in it. And now I'm going to teach you the ways you can journal based on your vibe. The first one is the most easiest way to journal and practice gratitude, and it is voice notes. If you're a girl who thinks out loud, feel things so deeply, it almost feels impossible to write every single thing down, and you just cannot find yourself sitting and writing in the book because you're just so overwhelmed all the time. And you're always on the move, and your thoughts flow best when you're actually talking and not writing. Open your voice recorder and literally just talk. I had a very chaotic day and I don't know what to do now, but I'm just so grateful that I saw a stranger outside and they smiled at me and I smiled at them back, and I just felt so freaking good at that moment. Life started feeling better because small things actually do make life feel better. Blah 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 blah. The second type is video diaries. If you're a dramatic, romantic girl, this is the best way you can practice gratitude. You romanticize literally everything and you want to see growth not just in writing form but visually. And you also want to feel your emotions all over again. Record the raw, real videos of yourself, and you do not have to post them and you do not have to show these videos to anybody. You can literally just keep it to yourself. And if you do not want to reveal these videos to people, and if you're scared that someone might just, go through them, Snapchat has this feature of for my eyes only, where you can just record and just store there and you will not even lose it because come on, like you can't forget your Snapchat password, right? The third one is the classic notebook journaling, which I do because I just love writing. And my thoughts flow best when I actually sit down and start writing stuff. You like quiet nights, candle lights, and everything which just looks and feels cozy. And it gets really easy for you to write things down once you're alone. This is for you. Take the notebook out, girl. What are you waiting for? The fourth one is texting yourself. Yeah. Literally open your WhatsApp and open your own chat and just write things to yourself whenever you want to. If you are a girl who is 24/7 on her phone, you might as well just open a notes app or a digital diary, or you can download journal app. And iPhone actually has this feature, inbuilt feature of journal. You can literally just open it and write things down, like literally just scribble them, just type away. Now that I've given you four types of how you can journal, do not make excuses. Like, get the F up and do the work. If you're like, I want to be happy, I want to change my life, girl, you got to put in the work every single day for like at least 6 months to feel all these things. Gratitude won't solve all your problems, but it will make you the woman who knows how to face them, who knows how to keep her emotions in check, who is more emotionally intelligent and mature, who knows how to tackle things in life. It will make you a better person, it will make you a powerful woman, which also means you are going to become unstoppable because you're not depending on anyone to regulate your emotions. And always remember, the universe loves gratitude. God loves gratitude. Whenever you focus on the good, it expands and it comes back to you 10 times more. And I don't make the rules. This is literally law of attraction. This is literally universe's law. So I am not telling you anything. It's already made. It's written in the books. And no, you don't need an expensive planner. You don't need 5 a.m. mornings every single day to feel better about your life. You literally just require 30 seconds to 5 minutes to write 3 things down every single night to feel better over time. Self care is bubble bath, self care is that, self care is this. No, honey. Self care is consistency in your good habits. And one of them must have gratitude. And I dare all of you girls to practice gratitude for at least 21 days and see the shift in your life.